Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another pack opening. These are the packs from this Luxury Ball and Premier Ball that we just opened. So let's get these packs open. So we're starting off with the Vivid Voltage. So let's get this pack opening underway. And there is that. Okay. I'm going to start off with an Electric and a Charmeleon and a Telescopic Sight and a Beldum and a Phanpy and a Duskull, Electrike, a Pineco, and our reverse is an Electric, and our rare is a Alchemy. Onto this Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse. Let's see what we get in here. I don't think I've pulled anything good out of any Sun and Moon that I've opened. But there's that. And here we go. We have a Zangoose, Vaporeon, Tag Call, Lillipup, Skrelp, Pikachu, Stuffle, Ponard, ooh, and a Steelix full art. That's cool. Don't know a lot about this set, but that's a cool card in the holo slot. And a Weavile. Okay, on to the next pack. Rebel Clash. Try not to cut the cards in there. And here is that, followed by all of this. We have a Horror Energy, followed by a Capacious Bucket, Morpeko, Milcery, Vulpix, Galarian Darumaka, a Binacle, a Snover, reverse is a Phanthump, and our rare is a Galarian Darmanian. Okay. Up next we have Vivid Voltage. Okay. Let's check it out here. Got that. And let's see what else we get. Telescopic Sight, Ferrothorn, Gogoat, Eevee. I can keep my cards from falling over. So move those over and start a new pile. Woobat, Arcunda, Seedot, Phanpy. Reverse is a Skidoo. And our rare is a holographic Zapdos. Cool. Okay, on to this Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse. Okay. Get this out of the way, and there is that. And here we go. We have a Bestite. We have a Lipblip, Jolteon, Duskull, Dimepole, Flabebe, Alolan Sandshrew, Ponyta. Our reverse is an Eevee, and our rare is a Slurpuff. Okay, and the last pack here is this Rebel Clash. I guess out of this second ball, we've only got the Zapdos hollow. No full arts or anything like that. But there is that. And time for the last pack. We have Morgrem, Medicham, Tranquil, Voltorb, Clefairy, Stunky, Roly-Coly, Sandygast. Our reverse is a Galar Mine, and Galarian Darmanian again. The final card there. But I'm gonna throw a sleeve on this. We got that full art Steelix. But that's it for this video. If you liked what you've seen, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with my latest videos. And as always, have a great day.